£15–17 on Etsy. So let's take a look what you get. Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pocket fire kit by Ray North Outdoors. It's an Etsy seller in the UK. This kit comes in around about £15–17 plus the postage. So we'll take a look and see if it's any good. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the like, and let's take a look at this. So let's crack on. So let's take a look and see what we get in the Ray North Outdoors pocket fire kit. Ideal for any backpack, day pack when you're out hiking, fishing, camping, whatever. It's nice to have a pocket fire kit. Now we normally make our own, but I just wanted to show you what was out there that you can buy. So like I said, it's £15–17 on Etsy. So let's take a look what you get. Nice hex Ferrorod, I like that. Don't particularly like these strikers, but for what it is, it come with it. So so we'll give it a go with it, and it come with it. Nice leather lanyard, like that. Nice little touch. That actually looks a pretty decent Ferrorod, that, rather than some of the small ones you see. It's actually quite chunky, so I do like that. Slow match again, nice good quality. That wax shoot, yeah, do like that. A nice solid tube too. Decent size, isn't it, really, for what's in the tin compared to some that you see out there. And then a bundle of Fatwood. Nice size, nicely presented, nice little wrapped up in a nice little tin. I like that. It's pretty decent. I must admit, I do like the size of that Ferrorod rather than some of the smaller ones, but these, I just don't like these at all. But we'll give it a go and see what we can strike with it. And then as you try and slow match, so we would use this to light the Fatwood. We'll give it a go, have a little demo, and shall we crack on? Actually not bad for the money, to be honest with you. I'm pretty impressed with that, and a UK supplier again, which I like. Made in the UK, supplied in the UK. Not very often you get something decent quality like that. So let's give it a shot, see what we can light, and see how the Ferrorod does. Not so much a fan of those strikers, but let's crack on and just have a little look. So there you have it. That was the pocket fire kit by Ray North Outdoors, a UK supplier. Nice little bushcraft fire kit. I like it actually. For the price, good quality stuff. Like I said, I find these extremely difficult to use. I think the cheaply made, mass made, and supposed to be like an EDC multifunction striker. Really, it's just like that. Just put a decent ceramic striker on it, you know. That's all you need really for that. You saw me struggle a little bit to scrape it and to use that. Some of you might like them, I don't. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But other than that, that's a great little pocket fire kit that. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked that little quick video there. Keep watching, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and I'll keep pushing out the videos every Sunday. So on a Sunday only now. So they'll get released on the Sunday, and I'm just going to try and do it weekly going forward. But we'll see how that goes. We know a month can soon go by before you realise it. Hope everyone's safe out there. Stay safe, look after each other. Have a good one. Del out.